हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो हमने कुछ एक स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड पे उन्होंने बोला था कि मैम हमें टेलर्स थ्योरम फॉर वन वेरिएबल भी हमें करना है। तो टेलर्स थ्योरम फॉर टू वेरिएबल्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन। सो लेट्स टेक and let's start with the statement of the Taylor's theorem for the one variable. Okay, so what is that? If you have given a function f x plus h, okay, where h जो है that is x being independent of h, okay, it is the function of h. X and h are independent of each other and which can be expanded means क्या है आपके पास in two variable it is x plus h and y plus k. Okay, it is just it is expansion of this function. Okay, in xy or hk, in terms of xy and hk. Or now you have to remember that how you have to expand this. Series is nothing but Taylor series. It is given by Taylor, so it is named as a Taylor series. Okay, so Taylor series is nothing but it is the expansion of the function. Okay, function for one variable and two variable. Okay, so in one variable it a function of h where x is independent of h. ठीक है, in powers of h and the expansion be differentiable any number of time means it is a series means infinite number of terms. It has infinite number of terms, so it can be expanded in for any number of times. Okay, so uh, what is this? This is f of x plus h is equals to f of x plus h. This is in powers of h. What you have written, this is in powers of h. You can take this in powers of x also. Okay, but in place of h you have to write here x. Okay, so in powers of h, h upon 1 factorial f dash x plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash x plus so on h raised to power n upon n factorial f n x. Okay, I am saying that it is a series. Okay, Taylor series, it is an infinite number of terms are there. For this infinite numbers of terms are there, and you have done this for two variable. Okay, for two variable this is nothing but f of x plus h y plus k. Okay, so this is f of x y plus h f of x plus k f of y. Simply you have written this 1 upon 2 factorial h square f of x x plus 2hk f of x y plus k square f of y y. Okay, plus 1 upon 3 factorial h cube f of x x x plus 3h, so 3h square k f of x x y plus 3h k square f of x y y. This is so on. This is for function of two variables. Okay, and this is for function of one variable. Okay, and Maclaurin series is nothing but if you have replaced this which term, this x. Okay, this x is replaced by 0, h is replaced by 1. Okay, h जो है, if h is neglecting here and x is tends to x is equals to 0 and h is tends to x. Okay, for the Maclaurin series h tends to x. Okay, here h tends to x. Okay, is in place of this, and for x it is 0. Okay, in place of x you have to put this term is equals to 0. So this is nothing but this is the Maclaurin series. And finally in maximum questions we are using this Maclaurin theorem because for the function fx, if I'm putting the value of this variable x, then I'm getting the value. Okay, and if I'm getting the value, then the series in terms of some numeric values. So in this way we have to solve the question. So let's take one example to understand what is the Taylor series and how you have solved this Taylor series with and Maclaurin series. Now expand sine inverse x up to 4 terms in powers of x. Okay, we are using we have used here and we are using Maclaurin and Taylor's theorem both. So first of all, you have to find this f dash, first derivative, second derivative, so on up to nth derivative, and we have to find here up to fourth derivative term. Okay, so yeah, fx is equals to sine in. First step is we have to find f dash x. So let it be 1. So differentiate 1 with respect to x, we get f dash x. That is nothing but what is the derivative of sine inverse x is 1 minus x square ka square root. And you can also put this term as minus 1 by 2. Okay, now f of x is equals to this, then f of 0 is equals to sine of 0 is nothing but 0, sine inverse भी 0 ही रहेगा. So f dash x is equals to 1 upon 1 minus x square, and this term now f dash 0, put 0 here, you are getting 1. Now you can solve this term. How you can solve? Yes, okay, by expanding by binomial theorem. So f dash what is this f dash x, you can write this in this term as 1 plus, this is n minus 1 by 2 as such, and this is f dash f of x. Okay, then plus f dash plus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, then minus x, this is square, and sorry, this term is not square, this term is at first it is x0, x1, then x2 upon 2 factorial plus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2, then upon 3 factorial, and this term is minus x square the cube. Okay, so this term, now expand these terms. So what you are getting, f dash x is equals to 1, so minus minus plus, plus 1 by 2x square, so it is minus minus plus, and this is also plus, so it is 1 3 by 2 यानी कि 3 by 8, 2 to 8, x raised to power 4. Similarly, this is minus minus plus, minus 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 plus, this is also minus, this is also minus,